Hey everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you today with a Dollar Tree sticker video. Yay! So this is my Dollar Tree sticker series that I've started, and I never thought I would be 30 videos in. So yes, today's the 30th video showing cards mostly that I've created with Dollar Tree stickers. So it seems like it's getting harder and harder for me to come up with designs that may be, a little challenging and, kind of thinking outside the box, but I keep trying. So let's see what I have for today. Let me share with you what I used to create the cards. So first up, I created this little Cricut Bug Swiss Dots embossing folder that I've had for years. This has been a favorite go-to for me. Super simple, love. From Spellbinders, I use these Color Essential Gems, this pink, and it's actually 2 sleeves in here. So I purchased them, they were on sale, so I purchased the extra one. So I just keep it in the same packaging. Same with the opal color ones. I keep them both pages in the same packaging. And this is the Color Essential Gems, as I said, opal. And then I use this Maggie Holmes little die set that I purchased last year, and it's just so sweet. I've cut out tons of items from it. It's so little, and you can just sit there and do so many cutouts in, no time. So I have a backup for sure. And then I used from my stash this little sweet die set from Lawn Fawn. I've been having this for years too. I don't even cut these apart. Whenever I die cut them, I just run with all 4 of them to get the little frames. And I think I've used this in a Dollar Tree series before, maybe with the little puppies. I think so. So let's get to the star of the show, which is which sticker set that I use. So like I said, it's been kind of hard. I don't go to Dollar Tree as much as I used to. So when I go in, I expect to find something awesome, and a lot of times I don't. But I did pick up this 12-piece pop-up sticker set. I love the colors. I wasn't sure how I was going to use it, but let me show you what really surprised me. Because, you're not closely looking at things, and come to find out that this one is a whole sticker in itself. So I was really surprised by that. For some reason, I thought it was going to be 3 different stickers. So that stumped me. I was just like, that's pretty big. I just could plop that on a card, and 5x7 card would work wonders with this. But like I said, I try to think outside the box and show you all, different ways to use the Dollar Tree stickers without just sticking them on. And which would be pretty. Don't get me wrong, that would be beautiful. But let me show you what I did. So the first card, this isn't my favorite, so I'm going to share it anyway. So what I did was I used the cute little Maggie Holmes set die, and then the embossing folder, and just layered it up with cardstock from my stash, which I get at Joann, which makes me really sad since the Joanns near me are closing. But that's for another video. And then I just used the one little sticker. So what I had to do was, it's the sticker from here, but it was layered, but I didn't want that layered look, so I had to peel it apart, which is fine. So you just have this other piece, but they, leave a little square there for the person who, I guess, puts it together, knows to put a square there, adhesive square there. So you can't use that part anymore, but I pulled it off, and I think this is just a sweet little card, a little note card, or, once you want to say happy birthday, and it doesn't have all the bells and whistles, but I thought it was pretty. I love the colors, and it's, the shininess of the sticker. I think it works. But here is my favorite one. Same deal, but this time around I used some pattern paper scraps I had in my stash, and I think this is from Anna Griffin. I don't know which collection. It was just a piece that I had, and then I used the gold frames, and also with the hanging, and then I put the opal pearls on here. So I think it looks super elegant. I have the gold paper that I get from Spellbinders, which is my favorite. I always say that. So it's weird for me to make a card that doesn't have any, it's all paper that I get from Joann. So it's all, this is Anna Griffin, and then this is Spellbinders paper. And then I actually, I see other crafters do this all the time, and I always forget or never think about it. And I think Tina Crafty Bean here on YouTube, she does it, and several others. But I put something on the inside, so I didn't stamp a sentiment, but I just put a little bit of strip of that paper and then one last little sticker here on the inside. I'm going to try to do that more often. I think that kind of elevates the card and makes it look super special. So let me know what you think. Do you like my favorite? Do you think the blue one is okay? It's upside down. If it's okay, let me know. They're totally two different looks, right? But let me know what you think below. And once again, I can't believe this is the 30th video for my Dollar Tree sticker series. So I hope you still are enjoying it and continue watching when I can come up with a design. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.